Changing the menu items in your footer. Open the page, Pages, and open the page. Click on the footer, dynamic footer menu, click the settings, come across to the menu and add your menus inside here. You can also delete your menus out, or you can edit the name of the menu item. Let's link to this new page that I have here. So I'm going to click add new menu item. I'm going to call this new page and I'm going to go visible to all. I can have this as visible only to logged in users or only to logged out users. I'm going to choose all and select an action, go to link. Now I'm going to get the page for this new page here, and I'm going to select everything from the end of the domain. Let's paste that into here and click save. And now you will see that we have a new item along the bottom. Let's click save and preview. If I go to the home page, scroll to the bottom, click this new link, it takes me to this page. That is how you add a new menu item to the footer menu.